I need to add more newspaper.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, thank you for visiting and welcome. Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I prepare yakitori. Yakitori. If you haven't had yakitori before, yakitori is a Japanese way of cooking skewered meat and vegetables. And you know what? I love adding pineapple. It tastes so good. So guys, please join us and let us know in the comments below if you've had yakitori before, where, and did you like it? Well, I enjoy the concept of yakitori, cooking the meat in front of you and eating it straight away. Alright guys, come join us now.
Oh my gosh, look at this rub. Lost seasoning. Steal myself. But how do we get it? Because these ones are small.
Oh, that's too much. That's so salty, Gabriel.
No, it's okay, it's okay.
He's gonna eat it and be like,
Like, how do I don't
Get
know.
thong. Get a thong.
Thongs? Thong? Where was the thongs?
Second drawer or third
Things he used to put
drawer.
on. Second or third drawer, okay. The bottom is so raw. And the top is so well done.
split on it.
Do you want a thumb? Do you want a thumb? Yes, please. Do you want this puppy thumb?
In a minute.
Okay. It's okay. He's on a stick.
Oh, cinnamon, can I have this? Wait, is that cinnamon?
Yeah.
Can I have some cinnamon?
Yeah, of course, yeah.
Yay! There's a knife.
Great.
So these are
You
the
didn't sit over there.
condiments.
Huh?
Here.
Oh yeah.
Ugh.
Actually, I prefer those thumbs.
Cinnamon on
We'll take
pineapple.
Oh, I get started. Did I mute my house? It's just that it's not grabbing to me. Just remember that it's gonna be epic. That's all I have to say. This one doesn't need seasoning, in my opinion. Can I have my bowl? My bowl?
You want rice now?
No.
Who wants rice now?
Nothing.
And don't forget the mushrooms.
We have spoon and forks. How do we eat the rice?
Oh, sorry, I forgot
that's okay.
I forgot the chopsticks. Who wants chopsticks and rice?
Oh, it's like in theory. I wish I thought.
The hot dog?
Oh yeah,
How small is that?
barely. I thought you said barely. Don't worry, I said barely. Which means it was good. I think that one's good for intense. Maximum power. You know where I got that reference from?
Crispy.
Oh my god. Oh, wow. This is so good, Pop.
Very good. Thank you.
Okay.
Smells rare. I love it.
Good. Yakitori.
Yes, thank you.
One of my managers is like, welcome to almost.
We're very upset. It's funny. I think it's dying. Never mind, because
This is so
there's
cute.
another one.
I was like, wait a minute. You took it off.
I realized what it looks like. I was like, wait, no.
Because Gillian specifically asked for
Look
it.
at that. No. Should I actually take it? I'm just gonna chuck it over there.
Star.
Please put star on my steak, please. Here's what's gonna happen. You ready?
Please put some on Mommy's.
Okay, look.
I need it so bad.
Look. Put that there and spread it. You gotta spread it.
Don't say that.
Oh no 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 no! No! One of them fell into the thing. Oh, and then now it's making a. Oh no!
Uh-oh.
It's just
Careful.
Look at us.
Extra fats.
my bad. Okay, wait. My bad. We're supposed to put it on before we put it. Yeah. My bad. Yeah.
Precisely.
So now what we gotta do is
Mistakes for taking a while.
look at that. Because that's too good. Don't fall on it.
So that the star steak.
No, just like Oh my god! Look at that! Look at that!
Wait. Whee!
Butter is excessive. Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Oh my god!
Medium rare steak.
It,
It just sounds nice though.
because
Thank you for watching.